Well, hey y'all, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing well. And again, I know we're still stuck in the house, but you know what? That's why we got videos. So make sure you're keeping your hands washed, your countertops washed. I know you are sick of hearing me say this, but I cannot stress it enough, guys. We got to stay safe. So anyways, guys, I have got 2 sneak peeks that we found, of course, in one of Joe's videos. You know how he likes to hide stuff behind him. So I'll be showing you that clip in a minute and telling you what we seen. So if you're excited for this video, y'all go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. Also hit your subscribe button and make sure your bell's on. That way you're notified and you don't miss no spoilers. And before we get started, if you're new here, hi, I'm Mandy. I do a lot of makeup related videos. Now sometimes I'll go off track and do something else I'm interested in, but I promise not to disappoint you all the time. Now let's read that first comment from my last video, which was an update for the May BoxyCharm Spoilers. Thank you so much, Priscilla Morales. Priscilla says, hey love, stay safe, miss you. Thank you so much, Priscilla, honey. I really enjoy doing these videos for y'all. If I didn't have these videos to do, I'd be going clear nuts. I'd be climbing the walls. But I really appreciate you coming and watching the video, Priscilla. Thank you so much. I love you, girl. And if you yourself would like to get a shout out, be sure to leave a comment under this video. You're going to have 1 out of 2 chances of getting it. You could either set your bell and try to be first at it, or you could be one of the comments I pick. You never know. I might pick you. Now stay tuned till the end when I read the comment that I did pick. Alright guys, so first I'm going to go and show you this clip that was on Joe's Instagram, and then I'm going to tell you what we see.
Alright, here's a little bit of my office routine now in the time of coronacy. Can work out a little bit. That's it. I'll actually show you in the next few slides what the office look like with all the packages that are making without people unboxing them. So take a look. This is what I do. Working while lifting some dumbbells because we gotta be productive during the process.
Now, if you look right there on the background, you know Joe does this a lot. He likes to hide some sneak peeks, spoilers, everything behind him. And I love it when he does these videos. It's unique. You know, it's just the only subscription box that does this. And you know what? There's the element of surprise, you know. It just makes you want to watch every Instagram story that he puts up. Because you know, chances are there's going to be something in the background. So in the background of this one, we see the Glow Berry Glow Probiotic Recovery Mask. And we also see sitting right beside of that the LMS Resurfacing Facial Pads. Of course, you know those are future spoilers. We don't know what month yet. It could be May. And we don't know exactly which box it's going to be in. So just know that these 2 items are coming to a future box. And of course, as soon as they reveal that, you know I'm going to update you guys and keep you in the loop. And as always, BoxyCharm's link below if you want to go check them out. Now, guys, let's read that comment that I picked in my last video. Thank you so much. I love Lupe. Is it Aguirre? I hope I said that right, honey. Anyways, they said, not first, but I'm watching you, girl. Well, thank you so much, honey. I really appreciate that. Like I said, I'd be climbing the walls if I didn't have these to do. And it pays off. Yeah, I really appreciate y'all coming and watching the videos. Thank you so much, girl. I love you. Remember, guys, you got to leave that comment if you want to shout out. Guys, double check. Please make sure you're still subscribed to my channel. You know how YouTube likes to unsubscribe people for no reason. But if you would, double check that. And if you're not, why the hell not? I mean, it's 100% free and it's a gift from me to you. And it's rude not to accept a gift, so you got to take it. So go on down there and hit that button. Then I'm going to need y'all to rate the video, but you're only going to have one option. You can only hit the thumbs up button because my thumbs down button quit working a long time ago and YouTube won't fix it. There's one more tiny thing before you guys head out. Damn YouTube. If you would, make sure your notification bell set on. That way you don't miss another upload of mine. You'll catch all these spoilers. And guys, I also do a lot of other videos other than these spoilers. So if you ever want to put a face to the voice, go check those out. That's it. That's all I got for you. And I love y'all so much. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.